नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो। आई एम डॉक्टर सचिन गुप्ता, एचओडी ऑफ मेटेरिया मेडिका, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, JBWU. Today I am teaching you Cuprum Mat medicine in the Materia Medica practical session. This medicine is made from copper and because of made from metal, it have a theme of attack and defense with the performance pressure. This medicine is very useful in the convulsions, coughing, and cholera. Three most marked symptoms are represented by this medicine. On the convulsions, there is clonic convulsions, and this medicine is helpful for epileptic effect on periphery to center, so that the aura begins from the extremities, knees, and fingers and goes in the CNS region. So the patient feels some vibration and tingling and some sensational effect in the extremities, knees, and fingers. That's that's helpful for knowing that something is happening after that. And after some time, there is clonic phase of convulsions, which is a rhythmic type of convulsions, involuntary, and there is contraction and relaxation of the muscles. And these attacks are infrequent attacks and paroxysmal type of attacks. If these are continuous, the medicine will change into zincum metallicum, that is also made from metal. So in the convulsions, we find that cupramat is opposite medicine of Cicuta V. On the other hand, Cicuta V have symptoms originated from the CNS section to the different parts of the body. So we can say aura begins from the brain and goes to the periphery. Center to the periphery is Cicuta V, and periphery to center is Cupramat. And also the spasm goes in the upward direction. It feels in the knees and fingers and goes upward on the neck region. So the opisthotonous position is the next action of finger and knees sensation. Convulsions have violent degree of mere twitching of single muscle to all the muscles of the body, twitching, quivering, and trembling, clonic and tonic contractions so that hands are closed violently, thumb goes inside the finger, and have first thumb is first affected, drawn into the palm, then finger closed tightly down over, then extend to the toes until great exhaust limb, eyes turned upward, inward, or outward. That is the key feature of cupramet. Athusa synopium have downward eyeball direction, and cupramet have upward direction. In the delirium state, this medicine have incoherent and prattling, talking, violent weeping, shrieking, and bellowing like a cough. So there is some stertorous type of breathing and some spasmodic dyspnea occur where there is tightness of chest, xiphodynia, clenched thumb, death-like condition, and blue face, voice cracked and timbre, expression of fearful anguish, is present at that time. At that condition, in the cupromet, cold water is very helpful. If patient drink cold water, symptoms will cured very soon. In the cuprum patient, there is a fullness of cramps of muscles. Decreased oxygen level causes dyspnea and cyanosis. This medicine is helpful in the convulsions during pregnancy, convulsions during puerperal convulsions. If these convulsions are present, some urine infections are also occur where there is some kind of albumin content in the urine. It is also useful in the cholera. General features of cholera are present, like profuse vomiting and watery, offensive diarrhea, frequent diarrhea, pain in the abdomen, weakness, empty stomach, hungry feeling, and sick body. But beside that, cholera morbus, some kind of peculiar symptom are also present. That is coldness of the body and crampy and convulsive phase of cholera. This is the characteristic feature of cupromet, which is compare and contrast with the veratrum album medicine and camphora medicine. So, beside the all common symptoms, there is a peculiar symptom of crampy and convulsive phase of cholera in the cupromet. Camphor have most marked coldness of the body with scanty discharges, so that it is called for dry cholera. In the veratrum album, there is profuse and copious discharges like vomitus, like cold perspiration, like stool. The all discharges are very copious. So these three are very common, looking very common. This verdict said by Dr. Hahnemann that these medicines are very much similar, but have some peculiar point that differentiate these medicines. If you pick podophyllum, there is painless diarrhea. If you pick phosphorus, there is heat of skin with internal burning. If you pick cupromet, there is twitching, jerking, and cramping and convulsive phase. These all kind of convulsions are present in the night during sleep, during first sleep. So the lachesis symptom are also present, like ailments during sleep. Ailments start with the left side, ailments with the aggravation in the night. And there is contraction of tongue, which is very important. And the behavior of patient is he's protruding and retracting the tongue like snakes. That is also found in the lachesis medicine. Ipecac is vegetable analog of cupromet because cupromet have all symptoms with the vomiting. In the cough section, cupromet is important. Coughing is convulsive, very violent, very paroxysmal, dry, whooping. But the main symptom is cough relieved by cold water. It is the marked symptom, and cough have three spell like a sternum mat. So three spell cough with relief of cold water. That is the most striking symptom of cupromet. So you can read it, and if you have some doubt, please ask in the comment problem solving there. References taken from Boric and Alan Mathematica. The session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it on problem solving day. Thank you.